everybody. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a pair of pearl earrings. And oh, happy 2018. And let's hope we can get to 50 subscribers by the end of this year. So I want to show you guys these two rings. This is a pearl one I made and a different one I made. I'm thinking about making a video about this, but um, I'm not sure about it. But if you want to see it, then leave a comment down below. Okay. So let's get into supplies. So for this pearl earring, you're gonna need pearls. You can use fake, real, doesn't matter. 2 millimeter beads. I'm using crystals and two ear wires and then two head pins. You can, and also here's the thing: if you're just gonna be using wire for all of this, do not use memory wire. Use like a bendable wire which you can bend with your hands pretty easily. Don't use any of that because it's very tough and it could hurt you. It hurt me a few times. I have a few scars on my hand because of that. Anyway, let's get started. So I'm going to take my head pin and I'm sorry, it's been a while since I've recorded this, so I'm a little confused about what's happening. Anyway, so these are the pearls I'm using. You could use different pearls if you want, bigger ones, and they don't have to be pearls. They could be like yellow beads or whatever, like whatever that you want. I'm just using pearls because that's what I want, and they're about 4 or 5 millimeters. They're like wonky shapes, so yeah. So I'm using two 2 millimeter beads. There it goes, running across my table. Two 2 millimeter beads. I'm sick, so it's a little difficult to breathe. And yeah, and I have two head pins, which don't have the loop thing on it, because that's how I bought them. And anyway, we're gonna get started on this. So first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your head pin and another shot of the ring. And the other one, tell me in the comments if you want to see this video of this. I think I have a recording of it. I have to check my library. My video library, I mean. Anyway, so let's put the pearl onto the headband. And you know the drill. There's a pearl looking pretty. And what you want to do is, you know the drill, cut a quarter of a centimeter off your head pin and make a loop. Just bend it. Just twirl your wrist and make the loop, and then straighten it, straighten it, wait. And I got cut off by something happened with my computer again. So I'm just fixing the loop on the pearl dangle, and now I'm gonna get started on the other on the link for to attach to it with the 2 millimeter. So I have the extra wire that I cut off from the from the head pin, and I'm gonna make a loop like so. There's my little loop, and I'm going to add my 2 millimeter bead onto the eye pin, and then you can use a bigger one if you want, but I don't have a bigger one, and that's about like two for like a cut like 4 centimeters that bead, the bigger one, but I don't want to use that because that's about the same size as the pearl. And oh, that opened accidentally. And you can use those too, the gold beads, but I'm going to use a crystal because that looks much nicer. And This is where I made a mistake. I made the cut a little too close in, and I couldn't get a a tangle from that, so I decided to abort that mission, and I'm gonna make another one, but I need to get the bead out of the wire. So again, make a loop, fixing it up, and then just fixing it, and just flattening it out a little bit, just to secure it. And now I'm going to add my bead onto my eye pin, like so. Gonna cut it a little farther than I did the last time, like that. And then I'm going to take wrong pliers, and then I'm going to take my round nose and make another loop on the top, like so. Just waiting. Okay, so that's good. Now I'm going to open my uh, loop, and then I'm going to put in the link, like so. And then I'm going to open my ear wire, which magically well turned into an actual ear wire, and then close it. And now you have a finished earring. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye.